Ka University of Science and Technology (USTM) kala ay nam sa akin mau ha ka kerteng jong ba di Lapang Menteri Rang ba menchwa ubalong minta unong ay but ya ka sarkar jilla ya ka we ka benta jong ke ying mau balajer kerteng Dr. Didi Lapang Block. Ya kini ke ying mau lapli hidu uni urang ba ka arpau trik naitung ha ka jingdon rengkat kibor bapenya ya ka USTM ubak don lang soklet Vice Chairman ke Meghalaya Resources Employment Generation Council ba RB Shadap President ke Ribhoy Dorbar kinohikai berkisam lapuli jong kini ke skul ba. Ha kini ke sengi Dr. Lapang ulakren kinohikai kinong tray berkisam lapuli jong kini ke skul ba. Kini ke jing ay nam Dr. Didi Lapang Block ya ke ying mau ha kini ke jaka puli kalong ben pawe ke jing sngongu ikimati jong ni urang ba ubala penok bha ha ka miat jong kini ke jela la ong ke kubor na USTM.
Privileged to be here today. Why? Because there was a time long ago that this area, Shillong, was under my representative name at that time. At that time, this area is very backwards and people are very, very poor. And today, I found that this has become to an educational hub and many students and many other people from other part of the, not only India, the world has got the chance to study. And Ribhoy, out of the small portion here, has become the name in India and in the world, where this university also a name to be university.
Sir, many times he was the Chief Minister, a veteran social worker, and most importantly, I personally consider him a great academician because whenever he delivered a speech in his campus, always I found him as a great teacher. He never spoke about any political kind of agenda, but always did something with a kind of mainstream issues as a very senior man, but still he never forget to call us and ask what is happening in the university. What kind of progress is going on? Mr. Hall, is there any problem with you? Are you facing any problems? Tell me. And always, if he is speaking for 2 minutes, 1 minute only he prays for us. It's all statement which is always blessings to us and great to Almighty. This is his personality. I don't think that with this kind of help, nobody will be busy anywhere. They will take risks. But from last few months, continuously we are in touch, and he is trying to come at least once in this campus.
Yeah, the banner has rise to the height where the people could see even the international forum has recognized that there exists something somewhere in this area has come to the limelight. ERDF is the main agency where this forum, what they call it, the many departments and all, the educational, research and development foundation of this main body. The ERDF is here and all associated around with them, people like this Professor Nisema and others. I congratulate of being the president of the Association of Indian University, this high. This training of leadership and got the quality of leadership from this area. Well, we are very glad that under the leadership of the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor of the university is a fast-growing private university in the state. It is a great joy to be here today. Before I start about the background of this area, I would like to tell you, there was a time where I happened to be a representative of this area as an MLA. I won the election 8 times, and one of the time, the portion of this Shillong has been a very deserted village where no one recognizing existence at all. But it so happened at that time, today, you can see here that this area has become transformed, this barren land, into a very difficult, a very special, acceptable, and also acceptable all about the crisis and land that have faced the people, and it become no longer a barren land, but a land where we have become the educational hub of the area. Where the hub, you are the man, first day I met you first, and I meet you always, and I only gain experience, I gain inspiration, I gain friendship whenever I met with you. And I remember the day when this place is a barren land, and today there was a man at the time who dared have the vision, determination, ambition in life, and that is in the nature of Mr. Haq and associates. I got a name here also, Mr. G.D. Sharma, who is the Vice Chancellor, who is not here today, and but this is for a country with current leaders. Now you see, Professor J.D. Sharma and Vice Chancellor, USTM, come here in 2020. And he come here, the USTM come here about 11 years ago, and has grown very fast, and has grown to the height of it where every report is visible over the height and strength and the vision and determination of this campus here.